we have the following questions. Use the Moivre theorem to simplify each of the following. According to the Moivre theorem, the first one will be what? This will be equal to, just do it here. Okay, that will be cos. The power here times the angle, that will be cos 6 theta, and then plus I sine 6 theta. That's according to the Moivre theorem. The B part is very simple. It's very simple. Just be this will be equal to cos the angle here times the exponent, which is 5. So that will be 5 pi over 6, and then plus I sine. This one also times 5. That's a 5 pi over 6. So that's all on the Moivre theorem. Okay. Then the third one, the C part. We're going to have this. Okay. Then apply the Moivre theorem for this. If you apply the Moivre theorem, this will be the angle here times 2, the angle here times 2. So we have cos 4 theta plus I sine 4 theta. Okay. Then after that, we can apply the applications of the division rules for complex number, for complex number. So this will become what? This will be cos 5 theta minus 4 theta, and then plus I sine 5 theta minus 4 theta. This will be equal to cos theta plus I sine theta. So that's that on that case. Okay, so when you are dividing, your angle will be subtraction, will be difference of the angles. Okay? So the one here is your theta 1, this is theta 1, and the one at the bottom is theta 2, is theta 2. Okay? Yeah, for this question, what we'll do is this. We have this for the numerator, and for the denominator, it must follow the standard rules. This must be positive. Okay? And so we now have cos minus 3 theta plus I sine minus 3 theta. Then we can close that to power 2. So it must conform before we can use the Moivre theorem. This must be positive. Okay, and don't forget that we've already said in the previous video that cos of negative function is what? Is positive, and sine of the negative function is what? Is minus sine theta. So that's what we apply for that. Then we can apply the Moivre theorem straight away, and this will become cos 5 theta plus I sine 5 theta all over. Okay, so this will be what? Cos times 2, the power here is 2, so times 2, that's what? Minus 6 theta, and then here also plus I sine minus 6 theta, so times 2 also. Okay? So then we can apply the division rules. So that will be equal to cos theta 1 is 5 theta, minus theta 2 is what? Minus 6 theta. Okay? Then plus this I sine theta 1, 5 theta, minus 6 theta. Okay? Then finally this will give us what? Cos minus, that's plus cos 11 theta, and then plus I sine what? 11 theta. So that's that on that question. The E parts, this all over cos 2 theta minus I sine 2 theta. Then the step 1, this turn it to positive, and that will be what? Cos minus theta plus I sine minus theta all over. And do the same thing also for the denominator, and that will be cos minus 2 theta plus I sine minus 2 theta, and then close your brackets. Okay, then we now have cos minus theta plus I sine minus theta all over. Applying the Moivre theorem. Apply the Moivre theorem. This will be times 3. This will be times 3. So we have cos 6 minus 6 theta plus I sine minus 6 theta. Okay? Then we apply the division rules for complex number. This will be cos. That will be theta 1 minus theta 2. Theta 1 is what? Minus theta. Theta 2 is what? Minus 6 theta minus, okay, plus I sine minus theta minus 6 theta. Okay? So then we now have, this will be minus minus, that's plus. So we have minus theta plus 6 theta, which is what? 5 theta. So that will be cos 5 theta plus I sine 5 theta. So that's that on that question. For the last question, so this is what we have. So the first step is to apply the Moivre theorem, and that will be 1 over this angle here times 3, this angle here times 3. So we have cos 2 times 2 theta, that's 6 theta, plus I sine 6 theta. So that's what we have now. Then the next step is to solve this. So we're going to multiply this fraction by the conjugates. Okay, the conjugate of the denominator is cos 6 theta minus I sine 6 theta. So we're going to use this expression to multiply the fraction, and that will be cos 6 theta minus I sine 6 theta all over cos 6 theta minus I sine 6 theta. So we now have 1 times this, that will be cos 6 theta minus I sine 6 theta all over this one. They are difference of 2 squares, so which we can quickly solve this way: cos 6 theta squared and minus I sine 6 theta squared. Okay? Don't forget a minus b into bracket a plus b will give us a squared minus b squared. So apply that. So we now have cos 6 theta minus I sine 6 theta all over cos squared 6 theta. We square this one, that will be cos squared 6 theta. And here, this square here, we affect this complex number, this I, we affect this also. So it will be minus I squared sine squared 6 theta. For the denominator here, this one is minus 1. So we now have, for the denominator, we now have cos squared 6 theta plus sine squared 6 theta. And that's 1. So once this angle and this angle is the same, and you're having square. So on the identity, that's 1. Okay? Don't forget cos squared theta plus sine squared theta is what is 1. Okay? So the most important thing is that the angle here and here must be the same thing. So the final answer is what? Is cos 6 theta minus I sine 6 theta. Okay? So if you are still new on this channel and you are yet to subscribe, please quickly click on the video and subscribe. Click on like button and type your comments. Okay? And finally, please share the links of this video on all your social media platforms. Thank you. Questions still continue. Join the next question.